Have you ever heard the phrase strike it rich and wondered what it means? As an English learner, understanding common idioms can be a real challenge. But don't worry, today we're going to change that. Let me share a funny story about a time someone misunderstood this idiom. My friend Samantha was thrilled when her coworker mentioned striking it rich at the local gold mine. She immediately started packing her bags, convinced she was about to become a millionaire. Of course, poor Samantha was a bit confused. Strike it rich doesn't actually mean finding gold or treasure. Instead, it's an idiom used to describe someone who has suddenly become very wealthy, often in an unexpected way. Let me show you how to use strike it rich correctly. After years of hard work and perseverance, my neighbor Jane finally struck it rich with her small business. She was able to quit her day job and live comfortably, all thanks to her entrepreneurial spirit. Here are some examples of how you can use strike it rich in different contexts. Casual conversation. Did you hear that Tom struck it rich in the stock market? Formal setting. The inventor's new patent allowed him to strike it rich. Negative context. Don't expect to strike it rich overnight. Building wealth takes time and effort. To help you remember the meaning of strike it rich, think of a person striking a gold mine with a pickaxe, suddenly becoming wealthy. This visual image can serve as a useful memory aid. Did you know the phrase strike it rich originated from the California gold rush of the 1840s? It encapsulates the universal human desire for sudden fortune. Particularly resonant in the context of the American dream during the gold rush era. This idiom has permeated popular culture, appearing in various forms of media, reflecting the enduring allure of striking it rich. Some similar idioms to strike it rich include hit the jackpot and make a killing. On the other hand, living paycheck to paycheck and struggling to make ends meet are the opposite of striking it rich. And related expressions like get rich quick and become a millionaire also convey the idea of sudden wealth. Here's an example of how you could use strike it rich in a sentence. After years of hard work, the small business owner finally struck it rich with her innovative product line. And here's how you could rephrase it without the idiom. After years of hard work, the small business owner finally became very wealthy with her innovative product line. I remember when my friend Sarah struck it rich with her cryptocurrency investments. She was able to quit her job and travel the world, all thanks to her smart financial decisions. It was really inspiring to see her hard work and risk-taking pay off in such a big way. One common mistake people make when using strike it rich is misunderstanding the appropriate verb tense. Both I struck it rich and I have struck it rich are correct, but they convey slightly different timings. Another frequent misunderstanding is thinking the idiom refers to literally finding gold or treasure, as we saw with my friend Samantha. And it's important to avoid using strike it rich in inappropriate contexts, like describing a small, steady income. Okay, let's test your understanding of strike it rich with a few multiple choice questions. 1. What does the idiom strike it rich mean? A. To find gold or treasure. B. To become very wealthy, often unexpectedly. C. To work hard and save money. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with strike it rich? A. Live paycheck to paycheck. B. A make a killing. C. Struggle to make ends meet. Correct answer, B. 3. Which of these expressions is the opposite of strike it rich? A. Get rich quick. B. Hit the jackpot. C. A living paycheck to paycheck. Correct answer, C. In summary, Strike it rich is a common English idiom used to describe someone who has suddenly become very wealthy, often in an unexpected way. Understanding and properly using this idiom can help you communicate more effectively in a variety of contexts, from casual conversations to professional settings. Now it's your turn. Try using the idiom strike it rich in a sentence and share it with us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English idiom lessons.